Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring core prerequisites are present, VS Code itself, and the appropriate language extension. Once installed, open the exact project folder so paths match. Set the interpreter or runtime from the bottom status bar so VS Code knows which program to run. Open the integrated terminal, Control+, and verify runtime version with a quick command like node v or Python version. This initial setup prevents path mismatches and makes the subsequent run command immediate and reliable. Next, configure how VS Code will execute your code by adding a launch. JSON. Use the Run and Debug pane and pick the environment, Node, Python, or C++. Once done, point program to your entry file and set CWD to the project folder so relative imports work. If you need pre-build steps, add a task in Tasks. JSON and link it with pre-launch task. Make sure breakpoints are set where you want to inspect state. This configuration controls both execution and debugging behavior. To finish, run your program with F5 for debugging or control, plus F5 to run without the debugger. Watch the debug console and integrated terminal for logs, stack traces, and exit codes so you can iterate quickly. If it runs, you stop and rerun to test changes. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to confirm the path and the selected interpreter/runtime in VS Code match what you expect. Mismatches are the most common cause and are fixed by updating settings or launch. JSON entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.